In this video, we'll understand what a unique ID is and why it's important while uploading your data on MAPOG. A unique ID acts as a permanent identifier for each record in your custom location. It helps you easily update or modify data later without recreating the entire map or repeating the full upload process. When you upload your Excel or CSV file, you'll be asked to select a column to define the unique ID. You can either select an existing column, for example, property ID or record number, or allow MAPOG to automatically generate one for every record. Later, if you need to make changes or add new details, you can simply re-upload your updated file using the same unique ID. MAPOG will automatically recognize and update your existing custom location data instead of creating duplicates. So, the unique ID ensures your data stays organized, editable, and perfectly synced, even when updates are made later. In the next video, we'll focus on the geocoding process.